Your Facebook friends list is full of birthdays, and every single one is a reason to start a conversation. Friender's Birthday Wisher sends every friend a personal birthday message for you, automatically. Let me show you how to set it up. Open Birthday Wisher from the sidebar. The whole feature lives on one screen and it works in 3 moments around each birthday. First, wish them in advance. Turn on Wish Birthday in advance and pick how many days ahead to reach out. The default is 7 days. Then, choose the message template Friender should send. Second, wish them on the day. Turn on Wish Happy Birthday. You get 2 ways to do it. Make a post right on their timeline, send them a private message, or do both. Then, pick your happy birthday template. Third, follow up after. Turn on Birthday Wish Follow Up and set how many days later to check back in. The default is 1 day. Pick your follow-up message and Friender closes the loop. On the right, choose when it runs. Run it with your normal sync or set a specific time of day for Birthday Wisher to go out on its own. Now the birthday post. Click Create Post to write a custom message Friender can post on their wall. Give it a title. Flip on Gender-Based Message if you want a different version for neutral, male, and female friends. Write your message in the editor. Use the merge tag buttons up top to personalize it. Drop in their first name, pull from an image group, or add a tracking link so every post feels handwritten. When it looks good, hit Save. Your post now shows up in your birthday post list, ready to go. That is the whole feature. Set it once, and Friender never lets you miss another birthday. To try it free, head over to start.friender.io.